Hi guys, Dave's here. Does your toolbox look like this and you spend 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe a half an hour trying to find what you need? Wouldn't you rather have a toolbox that look like this? And that way you can come to it and find everything so easily? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Hi guys, Dave's back down in the garage again, and I got another one of those floor mats in here. I like what I did with the insert for my wrenches, and I learned some stuff and everything. I learned some mistakes not to use. We want to use down cut bits with this, and what I'm going to lay out today is a thing for my 3/8 inch ratchets and sockets, extensions, stuff like that. And I designed it and vectored like I did the other for the wrenches. This is a bit I'm going to use. It's a 1/4 inch compression bit, so I think it'll cut a lot better. Okay, it looks pretty good. I'm going to have to redo this in back here. I might just slot it out, make it bigger. I want to make this one a little bit longer. The sockets look like they fit and everything, and the extensions. So just a few modifications. We'll have version 2.0. Okay guys, this is the design that I came up with, and then the layout of the last version 2.0 here. Now these parts here, the extensions and everything, I had to measure each part, measure the length, the thickness, width, and all that. The hardest part was doing the speed wrench here because it's such a irregular shape. That's why I really came up with version 2.0. Plus I changed the layout a little bit, put my ratchets up here closer to the front and everything. But once I've got my layout and everything I want, I'll go to the other side to set the... what I'm doing is doing a pocket 2-path, and I'm going 375 thousandths deep, and this is for the sockets here and everything. And you want to use an offset with conventional, and you're going to be using either a down cut or a compression bit. I'm using a compression bit, but once you calculate that, and we're doing all the others the same way, this is a preview of what it's going to look like when it's carved. So now we just need to save our files and take it to the CNC. Now if I don't know if you noticed here, I've got these areas pocketed down 400 thousandths. That's where the ratchet is going to be setting. And I think I've done the same thing up here. That's 375. But I've got some of these a little bit deeper. Just pocket these a 1/4 inch deep, the extensions, but the top part of it I pocketed just a little bit deeper. So let's get carving. Okay, I've got it carved. Now I made my cheater bar a little bit bigger because the one I've got is not a Craftsman, and I measured the Craftsman at the store, so that I might buy it and use it. But let me see if all my tools will fit it now. Well guys, this is what it looks like finished up and everything in my toolbox. Everything's organized now, and don't that look so neat? I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and after I've done my wrenches here, I decided I'm going to do my sockets, and next will be my 1/2 inch sockets. So I hope everybody likes this, and as always, thanks for watching. Remember, we can do all kinds of things on the CNC.